Assalamu alaikum. My name is Ome Kalsoom Afridi. I earned my PhD from Gyeongbuk National University, South Korea. It's my privilege to serve the Department of Biochemistry, Women University Sawadee. Here at the Department of Biochemistry, we explore the molecular basis of life, from the structure of protein and DNA to the pathways that play a significant role in health and diseases. Our mission is to provide scientific advancement to the women and to equip them with the knowledge that enable them to foster in science and education. And our mission is to provide quality education and research that connect the molecular sciences to improve the health and to meet the global challenges. So join us at Women University Sawawi and be the part of the journey where biochemistry is not just a subject but indeed a future. Thank you. تاسو خپل وګورئ.